that you are going to vote by show of hands.
Ab'ebyobutegeki okukira munonga aba barikuruga aha rubaju orurikuhabura gavumenti nibagira ngu obwire obwingi ab'ebyokwerinda nibabateganisa kandi obundi babaremesa n'okuronda obushagiki omu bantu hamwe n'okukora enteerane.
Muha challenges ezitukwitirana tukukira kurora muno obwire obukusinga omu bururu obuturabiremu bwona security agencies nikira kukolera side emu rundi nizigwa orubege rundi nizikora kyekubira. Haliyo kira kusangira obwire obumu opposition wena bwaba ine nkarale oba meeting security ekira okulemesa
obuzibu tukufacinga izi abanyamahulire abamu n'abamu ku sidelininga and okuhereza with biased information. For example, for example, when the presidential candidate Nathan James Nandala Mafabi was coming here Mukagadi, tukatwala ebirango byaitu amarediyo agamu babikoraki babidinayinga.
Mu kiganiro eki we SP Robert Sessalu omuhwezi w'olukura polisi omu kyange kya Albert y'amashuma agizire ngu polisi nabo bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika okurebeka ngu bataho buryo okurinda obugabe bw'abantu omu buruuro obu.
We are also not seated in promoting and protecting human rights in elections, but the Uganda Police Force, which is a lead agency, I have dwelled so much on the Uganda Police Force because it is a lead agency and we are answering for any mistakes that are done by individuals in an operation in regard to the elections and any other operations.
To the D-Day. And in this pre-election period, we would like to ensure that the following rights are realized. Freedom of speech. If you don't allow candidates to speak, then people will not determine meaningfully who should be their leader on the 15th of January.
Betty Enangu Nangori or manager wa Uganda Human Rights Commission omulhoima agizire ngo bwahati bariyo nibetorori hangaryona okurebeka ngu bashomesa abukiri kukwataho okurinda obugabe bw'abanya-Uganda obwihanga rurikwetebekanisiriza akaruru omwaka ogurukwija.
What we've been doing is implementation of part of our mandate of community sensitization and empowerment. So, you know, as the Uganda Human Rights Commission, we are established by the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda to protect and promote human rights. And we do that in quite a number of ways. We do that through complaints management.
Togedde nnyo ku voter education, ba stakeholders babaddemu ab'ebibiina, ab'ebitongole ebirala ebya gavumenti ebikwatagana n'ebyokulonda. Kituyamba nti bajja kubulira abantu okulonda kutandika ddi kutambula kutya bakubiza abantu okubeerawo bakubiza abantu okukwasiza empisa kugamba batuyambako okunnyonnyola abantu n'olwekyo obuvuyo bwali baddewo mu kulonda ne bukendeera.
Jeremy Namanya omuhwezi w'omujwekero wa pulezidenti omu disitulikiti eya Kagadi washabira ab'ebyokwerinda okukora omurimo gwabo kurungi batari kugwera rubaju otiireho kurinda obugabe bw'abanya-Uganda.
I want to also call upon the security, police and all security agencies to ensure that we operate legally, to ensure that we operate impartially, we are always impartial, and to ensure that we respect human rights.
Omutwe gw'ekiganiro eki gubire guri okutebeekanisa oburooro bw'Obusingye kandi obwabona omwaka ogw'2026 omu kyange kya Bunyoro. Amakuru aga gashakwa Onesmus Turiahabwe aha bwa Tayari West omuri Kagadi.